guys, on our, I think, third day. Today we're going to be tasting original Italian wines, which is super exciting because I've never tried that before. And then we're heading off to our next destination. Guys, it is the next day and please excuse me because yesterday I wasn't recording our room, but I'll show you now because yesterday I was so cold and tired because we're in Italy and apparently it's not as sunny as I thought and it's super cold right now and it's been raining for the past 3 days. We've been soaking wet for the past 3 days, but Today appears to be sunny, so I hope finally we will catch some sun. Okay, but I'm gonna give you a room tour real quick because we're leaving soon. So here's our balcony. As you can see, our view is not the best, but that'll do. Here's our desk, luggage. Here's our bed, a little messy because we're in the middle of packing now. Here's the closet. And there's the bathroom. Also, today's breakfast was, I haven't filmed it because it was the same thing as was yesterday, but worse because we haven't had any veggies, just plain bread, cheese, ham, and butter. So really basic, but hopefully today evening and tomorrow will be better food because yesterday's supper was the worst yet. Today's plan: we're going to Orvieto in a minute, and then we're going to taste some olive oils, which I'm super excited for because we will have grilled bread with olive oil, and apparently we will have chance to buy some. I'm super excited because olive oil is great for cooking. Is made from volcanic tuff. When it gets air after 2 days, it gets hard as well. like there's no much water left because at the top of that waterfall there's a dam and they're closing it. And the funny fact is that they have built it like 2,300 plus years ago by ancient Romans. That is really amazing.